Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and fine at home. After the 3 months vacation, we are going to meet each other, not through the usual platform, through online classes. I know very well you will be missing your friends and all, but no problem children, we will meet soon, okay? But now we have to go on with this online classes. So I hope you all have got a textbook. You all have bought your textbook? In 7th, we are having two textbooks. One is Honeycomb, the other one is Supplementary Reader, that is An Alien Hand. Hope you all have got textbook. Now I am going to deal with this textbook. Okay, so before going to the lesson, this textbook is having 10 units. Okay, one unit means one prose and poem. So today I am going to deal with prose lesson. Okay, and the title of the prose is 3 questions. Okay, prose. Three questions. From the topic itself, you will be thinking that which are the 3 questions? Why the 3 questions? Like a topic like 3 questions, isn't it? You will be thinking like that. Curiosity is coming into you. Okay, good. That should be there. Curiosity should be there. Okay. So here the story is about a king who is having 3 questions in his mind that he is seeking the answers for that. Why he want to know the answers, you know? Because he thinks that, he believes that if he know the answers of these 3 questions, he will not fail in his life. Okay, he will be a successful person. That was his belief. Okay, so what are the 3 questions? Why you want to know all these 3 questions? Who is giving the solution to 3 questions? That is all about the story. Understood? And when he is getting the answer, he is undergoing some experiment. Means experience is making him knowing the answers. Okay, let us go. Okay, so 3 questions. So hope you all have opened your textbook. Please open your textbook. Page number, it is 7. Okay, page number 7. First lesson, 3 questions. Okay, so first of all I will read paragraph by paragraph and I will tell you the explanation for that. Okay, so before that I will tell you what were the 3 questions he is seeking for. Okay, so there lived a certain king. Okay, once upon a time there lived a king, a certain king. A certain king means, certain means there is no name or particular name given for that king. One king. Okay, so there lived a king who was having 3 questions in his mind. It was making him confused for many days. So what are the 3 questions we are going to see now? Okay, so the first question is, what is the right time to begin something? You understood? What is the right time to begin something? Okay, so we can write here, what is the Okay, so it is a question, so we want to put a question mark. So, have you read this question? What is the right time to begin something? Time, you keep it in mind. Okay, what is the right time to begin something? What is the second question, you know? Second one is, which people he should listen to in his life? Which people he should give prominence? Which people he should give importance? Okay, which people he should listen to. There also it will put a question mark. Okay, so which people he should listen to? So second one is people. First one is time. Second one, people. Third one, what is the important thing he should do in his life first? Okay, which thing he should give prominence in his life? Okay, so I hope hope all of you got the questions. So these were the three questions that was making the king confused. That is, what is the right time to begin something? Which people he should listen to? What is the important thing he should do first in his life? Okay, so as I told you, king was having so many doubt in his mind that how he will get the answers and all. Then a thought came to his mind that we'll send to the country people, okay, to the ordinary people. So many wise people will be there in that country. So he thought of sending through the messengers so that what will happen? He will get an answer. Okay, so we will see in the textbook. I'll read out the text. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people he should listen to, what is the most important thing in his life. Do I want to repeat? The same thing. That is, which are the three questions? Just repeat it along with me. What is the right time to begin something? Which people he should listen to? What is the important thing? Okay, important thing. So what and all things? Keep it in mind. Time, people, thing. Okay. Just recite it one more because these three questions are very relevant in this lesson till the end of the story. Okay. So you want to keep it in mind. Okay. So you want to learn it by heart. What is the right time to begin something? Which people he should listen to? What is the important thing he should do first? Clear now? Okay. So as I told you, he sent messengers to find out the answers. So in the second paragraph it is telling, the king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. So first word you come across sum, underline sum. Sum meaning amount. Okay, sum meaning amount. Sum meaning amount. So he told that he will be giving a large amount of reward to whoever telling the answers of these three questions. Okay, so the king sent the messengers, and messengers they throughout the kingdom they went to spread the message. Okay, so many people came with the answers because a large sum of reward they are going to get for these three simple questions, isn't it? When you are looking into the question also you will be thinking what a simple question it is. You will be thinking like that, isn't it? But the king need a correct answer. Okay, so many wise people came to the king's court with the answers. Which are the answers? We will see. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered this question differently. In reply to the first question, some said that king should keep a timetable. Okay, first answer he got is timetable. So what is the purpose of keeping a timetable? You also have timetable in your classes and all, isn't it? Or else in house also you will be keeping a timetable for studying and all. Are you keeping like that? If we are keeping, it's a very good thing. Okay. So timetable means we are pre-planning something to be done on the right time. So the people came with the timetable answer. They told that if you are keeping a timetable, what will happen? You know, you can do on the right time. Okay, you can do anything on right time by you keeping a timetable. But this was not acceptable by some other group of people. So some people rejected it. They opposed it. This answer, timetable answer, they opposed it and they said that no, it is not possible for the king to pre-plan anything. Okay, they cannot pre-plan anything. He cannot pre-plan because in some urgent cases and all, he cannot make a timetable at the time of that issue and all. So that will be not practical at that time. So some opposed it and that answer was not taken into grant. Okay, so we will write what was the first question? What is the right time to begin something? Okay, for that he got first answer timetable. Timetable. Okay, first answer was timetable. We'll make it as 1. Make it as 1. First answer is timetable. That was rejected by some people. Why you know? Why? Because they told that king cannot pre-plan anything. Okay, so the next set of people, they came with the answer. That is, king should keep a council of people. Who is council of people, you know? Council of people are being elected by the people and they are considered to be very wise and they will give advices and suggestions to the king. Okay, so their place will be in the court. So, there they can give the suggestions and advice. So, when the king is keeping the council of people along with him, so they will suggest the right time. That was another answer. Okay, so council is a new word for it, isn't it? So, underline council in the textbook. Okay, I will read it out for you. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything in its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king noticed it, and that was all going on. Avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So here it is telling that king can make use of the time. Okay. Yet others said that king needed a council of people, wise men who would help him act at the proper time. There you can underline council. Okay. So what do you mean by council? Council means council. COUNCIL. Council means a group of people Council means a group of people giving advices, okay, to the king. So, that was a suggestion given by another set of people. That is, if the king is keeping a council of people, he will be getting a good right time. He will find out from the right time and he can do the things. Okay. So, here we have already written what is the right time to begin in the first set of answer. What was it? Timetable, but it was rejected. Okay, but anyway, it is an answer given by one set of people. Second set of people, what they given? King should keep council of people, isn't it? So, second answer is council. Okay, council of people. Understood? So, are you all clear? What was the first question? First question was, what is the right time to begin something? And the answer, first one he got was timetable, second one was council. Okay. So, the third question is, third answer he got was, the other set of people said that they rejected it. They said that king cannot take 24 hours, he cannot take the council of people, and in some cases it will not be possible to make the people to, it will take time. The council of people means so many people will be there. So, after their advices, their suggestion and all, it may take time for some serious issue and all, then it will not be working out. So, they said that it is not possible and they suggested that what? King should foresee the future. So, for foreseeing the future, to know the future, only magicians could do that. So, they thought that magician, if the king is finding a magician, it is better to keep him along with him so that magicians can find out the right time. So, what is the third answer he got? Third answer is magician. Okay, the third answer is magician. Okay, so hope you all got the answers given by the wise people. What was the question? What is the right time to begin something? And the answer he got was timetable, it was rejected. Council of people, that was also rejected. Magician, that was also rejected. Rejected by whom? King. Okay, so king didn't like all these answers and he rejected all the answers. Now, moving to the second question. To the second question, what was the second question? What is the second question? Which people he should listen to? Which people he should give prominence in his life? For that, he got several answers like first question. Okay, so for that also some people came with the answer, which people he should listen to. First, here the first set of people said that it is priest. Okay, it is priest. Some said that it is doctors. Some said that it is counselors. Some said that it is soldiers. Okay, to the answer to the second question, these four answers he got. Okay, some said priest. Who are priests? Priest, those who are doing rituals in church, in temple, in mosque and all. That is religious leaders. They are called priests. So they should be given as important person in our life, isn't it? Because they will be giving suggestions and all. So some people said that priests are the important person. Some said that doctors. Why doctor came? Doctors are saving our life, isn't it? So doctors should be our important person. Counselors. Counselors means same people that I told you here. Counsel, a group of people giving advices. So those who are giving advice and suggestion, that people should be the important persons. That was also another answer. And the last one, people said that soldiers. Why soldiers? They are guarding the country, isn't it? So they are protecting, defending our country. So they should be the important person. So what was the second question? Which people he should listen to? Priest, doctors, counselors, soldiers. These four answers he got, and the king was also not satisfied by the answer. He rejected it. Okay. And another thing he got for the third question was that what is the important thing he should do? Okay, what is the important thing he should do in their life? What important thing he should give importance? That was the third question. For that, he got the answers like science. Okay, science. One set of people said that it is science. Another set of people said that it is fighting. Fighting. Okay, science, fighting. Another group told that it is religious worship. So, when we go to science, today's world is all around connected with science. So, that is why they said, the people said that science is having a power over our life. So, science should be the first thing. Fighting. Fighting means war between the countries. So, king means he should keep, have fight with each other, fight with other countries and all. So, when he is fighting with other countries, he can cover a vast area. So, that is a important thing he should do. He should cover a vast area of people. Religious worship means we should have a bond with the God. So, that should be the first thing you want to do. The important thing you want to do is religious worship. Okay. So, these were the answers he got for the 3 questions. Okay, hope you all understood this. What is the right time to begin something? The answers he got was timetable, council of people, magicians. Second question, which people he should listen to? That is priest, doctors, counselors, soldiers. Okay, that was also not acceptable by the king. Third question, what is the important thing he should do first? That is science, fighting, religious worship. That was also not liked by the king. The king was so desperate that he didn't like all the answers. He was not expecting such answers from wise people. So, he decided to go and meet somebody else for he will be expecting the answer from that person. Who is that person? We are going to see. So, take page number 8. We'll continue. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward instead. So, he promised a reward for the correct answer, but as the answers were not correct to the question, he didn't give any reward to any of the persons those who are given these answers. Okay. Instead, what he do? He decided to go and meet a hermit. Who is a hermit, you know? Who will be a hermit? Have you heard a word like hermit before? No. Hermit is a sage. Okay. Hermit. Hermit means sage. Means sannyasi. Those who are living in solitude. Those who are living alone. Doing the meditations to empower the concentration power and all. So, those people are considered as high intelligent people. So, king was sure that a hermit could only find out the answers to his 3 questions. So, he decided to go and meet 3 questions. We will see. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of certain hermit. Seek. It's a new word for you. Underline there. Seek. S-E-E-K. Seek meaning Find out. Seek, to find out. Okay, seek meaning to find out. So, to know the answers of three questions, he decided to go and meet whom? Hermit. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence. Okay. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So, what the king decided, in that paragraph, he is telling, the author is telling that king decided to go and meet hermit. Okay, where he is living? In the wood. Wood meaning forest here. Okay, wood meaning forest. So, in the forest, who is living? Hermit. Hermit is living in the forest, and he decided to go and meet hermit, not in the kingly robes. Meaning that king doesn't want to reveal himself as a king before hermit, thinking that he was scared about that if the hermit knows about it is a king, he will not be ready to talk with the king and all. So, he want to make himself as a ordinary man. So, he changed his clothes and he was dressed in a ordinary person, and he ride on his horse along with the bodyguard, and he reached near hermit's hut. Understood? As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. So, at last, he reached near hermit's hut. Before that, what he done, he had kept his horse and bodyguard a far away distance from hermit's hut, because hermit should not know that it is a king. King only have bodyguards and all. So, he left that horse and bodyguard a little distance away from the hermit's hut, and he came near to hermit's hut. When he reached hermit's hut, what he could see, hermit was digging the ground. Okay, and in this picture, page number 9, you can see hermit standing there along with the king. So, this is the king and this is hermit, and hermit is having a tool in his hand. What type of tool you can see in that? It is a spade, isn't it? The tool we are using to dig the ground. Okay, so you will be familiar with that tool. It is a spade. So, with the spade, he was digging the ground. Who? Hermit, isn't it? So, hermit was digging the ground, and king was about to come to hermit to ask a question. So, when he reached near hermit, he greeted hermit, and he suddenly asked the question. And he greeted the king and continued digging. Hermit was old and weak as he worked. He breathed heavily. So, when hermit saw the king, he greeted the king, said, "Hello, sir." Like that he said, and he continued his work. Okay, and the physical structure of hermit was, he was too weak and old, and while he was digging, after each digging, he was breathing heavily. How? Like this. Okay, older people used to take the deep breath like that. So, he was breathing heavily. So, king went up near to the hermit, and he greeted him, said, "Hello, sir. Hi, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important?" So, he explained the 3 questions to hermit. He greeted that, "Hello, sir. Hello, wise man. I came here to seek the answers of 3 questions. The 3 questions, these 3 questions. What is the right time to begin something? Which people he should listen to? What is the important thing he should do first?" So, he asked in another way. Okay, the same 3 questions he asked in another way. And he asked this question. What will be the reply of hermit? We will see. The hermit listened to the king. Okay, he listened to the king, but he did not speak. He went on digging. He listened to the king for a while. He stopped his digging and listened, and he went on digging. King felt that the hermit is not minding him. So, what he done, the king, he started having a conversation with hermit. "You are tired," said the king. "Let me take the spade and work for you." So, king said that, "I feel that you are so tired by digging all the day. So, let me do one thing. I will help for you. Give me the spade. I will work for you. You just go and take rest." Like that, king told hermit. Hermit went near to the hut, and he started taking the rest. Okay. So, now the king is doing the work. Imagine a king digging the ground. Why he is doing all these things? He wants to know the answers to the 3 questions, isn't it? So for that he is ready to do whatever he wants. Thanks, said the hermit. Giving the king his spade, then he sat out on the... So hermit was expecting somebody to help him. So that time, that particular time itself, king came and asked about the helping mentality. So he was so happy and he said, thank you very much. Like that he said, and he given the spade all of a sudden to king. Now king started working. So he was digging the ground. So for what he was digging, he was digging the beds. Bed meaning not mattresses where you are sleeping. Okay, that is not the bed. Beds mean small patches of ground for sowing the seeds. Okay, so next word is bed. B-E-D, bed. Bed meaning small patches of ground for sowing seeds. Okay, so for that this hermit was digging the ground. After digging 2 beds, the king stopped his work. By that time evening was approaching. So when the king had dug 2 beds, the dug it is written, dig, dug, past tense of dig. Okay, dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. So after taking 2 beds, what the king done know, he stopped his work and decided to go near to hermit and he started asking the same 3 questions again. The hermit gave no answer but stood up. When the hermit heard the answers, heard the questions, he suddenly stood up and he asked something to king, stretching out his hand for the spade. Stretching means like that. Okay, after a long rest, you will be standing or will be sitting and doing this, stretching your hands. So he was stretching his hands like this and he asked king, now you rest and let me work. That was a reply given by hermit. King was expecting the answers to the 3 questions, but the reply what hermit given was not the same. Okay, so hermit was telling that now you take rest, I will do the thing. King was getting annoyed, but he cannot show his anger towards hermit and all, isn't it? So he done what he said. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But the king was not ready to give the spade and he continued his work. Okay, till night. 1 hour passed, then another. Sun went down the trees. Sun went down the trees, it's a phrase meaning that evening already approached. And at last the king struck the spade into the ground and said. So after continuous work, he got exhausted. Exhausted in the sense he got so tired. So he struck the thing on the ground like this. He struck it in an annoying way, in an angry way, because for all the day he was waiting for 3 answers and the hermit was not giving the answer and he was making him wait and wait till evening. Now evening approached and there was no answer at all. Now seriously he was getting angry and he struck his spade on the ground and he decided to ask something to king. And he said, Sir, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my 3 questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so I will return home. So the king was asking that, I came here, sir, to seek the answers of 3 questions. From morning onwards, I am asking you 3 questions. If you don't have answer with you, please allow me to go. Let me go home then. Likewise, in an annoying way, king replied. By that time, they could see another person, a stranger, was running towards them. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. So when the hermit saw that person, he said that somebody is coming towards us. Let us see who it is. So that is a stranger who is coming near to the king and the hermit. Who it will be? Do you think who it will be? So here I am going to stop the lesson with a question mark. Who is that stranger who came running towards the king and the hermit? Okay.